Alright guys, so this is the end result. This is 24 inches curly. Yeah, I didn't really feel like doing any makeup today, just because I'm not in that mood right now. So yeah, but super cute. The curls are very cute. I didn't fluff it out that much because I wanted to keep, you know, a lot of the curls defined. But of course, if you want it bigger, you can always, you know, fluff it out more to your liking. But the hair is fully dried. And yeah, child, I did not do the best on the baby hair, so we're just gonna ignore that, okay? But yeah, HD lace, 24 inches, 150% density, I believe. And yeah, this is how the curls look. Super cute. This is how they look when they're dry. Super, 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 super cute. It didn't fit me fully, but I made it work. It wasn't way too small. I had some wigs that were just way too small, like for my head, but this was, you know, I could make it work. So if you're a big head girl like me, because y'all know my channel is big head girl friendly, you could get this wig if you want. I mean, if you don't mind doing a little extra work, like just pulling it down and doing all the extra work. If you don't mind doing that, then, you know, get this wig. It'll work out for you. So yeah, it's a 13 by 4. Okay guys, so I just fluffed it out a little bit more, just so it could be a little bit more bigger. I'm just breaking my fingers. They're kind of like, you know, I got my nails, so I don't really need a pick, but this is how it looks bigger when you fluff out the curls. It gives you the, you know, the bigger look. The bigger, more free, more wild. Child, I like big hair. I did not cut any layers, or I did not shape this hair, which is surprising because I usually always cut some type of layers, or you know, something in my wigs to give it more body, more volume. But child, I'm just recovering from being sick. I'm very tired, so I don't want to do my makeup or anything. I'm just tired and I'm trying to get back into the groove. I've taken a break from work, which, you know, is this, and I'm trying to get back into my groove because for the past 3 weeks I've taken a break. First week was my birthday. Second week I went to Chicago to visit family. Third week I was planning on getting back to recording, but then I got sick and I was out for the whole week. Luckily, thank God, it wasn't COVID, but I was really sick. I had COVID symptoms, but you know, thank God it wasn't COVID, okay? Because I've been dodging COVID. But no, thank God, I'm very blessed to not be like, I'm very blessed that my test came back negative with the COVID test and everything. But yeah, so I'm just getting back into the little groove, my little mojo, whatever y'all call it. I'm getting back into it now, so please bear with me because I've been laid a wig in so long. It feels like I've not laid a wig in like 3 weeks, so bear with me, child. But yeah, so yes, this hair is from Sezzle Klaiyi. I don't know how to say the company name, but child, thank you for sending me the wig. Everything will be linked down below. This is 24 inches, 150 density, I believe, 13 by 4. It's not a full frontal, so a full frontal will be like, I will also have the 4 inches of parting space on the sides, but no, I only have the 4 inches of parting space from like right here, and then the rest is like 2 inches right there. A lot of companies are doing that now. I don't know why, but yeah, just a little heads up. And of course, I would like, if I had some scissors right now, I'd probably cut like right there to and right here, just to, you know, shape it, because it's just one length. Something like that look. I don't mind the look, but sometimes I like to you know, get a little bit more volume and shape, and especially with curly hair. But ooh, ooh, ooh. This how long it is. So yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.